Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll be showing a very quick tutorial how you could set up Fast SSL in your website running on Apache Webserver. Fast SSL is one of the cheapest SSL provider at the moment, which can be installed and make your site secure. As you should already know, SSL runs on port number 443 where the data are all encrypted. So without wasting much time, let's go to the tutorial itself. So for the reference, I'm using this website and I've already placed an order for the Fast SSL. So if I want to reissue the certificate, or if you're doing it the first time, this is the page that you'll be in where it will ask you to provide the CSR. So for CSR, you could do it using console, but if you are familiar with that one, you can always use online tools. So I'll be using generator online. So there is a website called csrgenerator.com where you need to fill in your details. So let me put on my details, and it'll be NA, so NA, and the website gonna be install SSL.online. So I think I'm saying it's gonna generate the CSR. Let me copy these two parts, and just to let you know, it contains two sections. The first one or upper part is the CSR. The second part, beginning with begin private key, it's called private key. You need to paste these details as you will need these things to decrypt the SSL thing when you are setting it up. So I will show you in the later phase how we did it. So I'll be pasting the key here. Just remember, we will need these two, but for the request we just need the CSR. So I'm just copying the CSR here. I'll paste the CSR, then you just need to click on next and continue. For the verification part, you might need to create a txt file. So I already have my route 53 open here. So let me go to my route 53 and I will create a, they already existing txt record, so I can just edit this one. I'll click on edit, then I'll paste it. Just make sure we got the exact value. All right, starting with 7, that's correct. I will save it. Now I'll wait for a few minutes. Now let me go to my page. All right, now it's been successfully validated. So let me download the certificates. Now that's the file. So let me go to downloads. All right, so let me create a folder and name it Fast SSL. So unzip and Fast SSL, right? Fast SSL. But if you go to search, you will get a bunch of certificates that you will need to understand how these things work. So now we got the certificates that we need. Now we need to set that up in our web server. So for that one, what I will do is I already have a web server deployed, AWS deployed. So that's the public IP. And first of all, let me connect to that machine. Ubuntu, yes. Okay, I'm inside the machine. Let me update. 2. Till the installation is happening, let me grab the public IP and let me point that to our record. Okay, I'm just pointing to correct IP address. Now looks like it's done. Now if I do curl, okay, seems like it's propagated. Now if I hit online, okay, so we got the default Apache page. That means we have installed Apache here. Now let us do some configs here. So first thing you need to do is create a directory where you want to paste your website files. So I'm creating here, and another thing that you would need is you need to create a conf file. So this is where I'll be putting in a code. You can pause the video and grab these. All right, I will just right quit. Then I will enable the conf that I just created. Now I will reload the server. Now if I do curl, okay, since we don't have any index of HTML files, so it should be blank. So I will go to here. Let me create a page. Let's say the HTML, and let's keep h1 and non-HTML. All right. Now reload curl online. Okay, so we got the expected page. Now if you want to see this, you can come here and refresh the page. So this is for non-SSL. Now what we're gonna do is, let's do a few more things. Let me create a directory for non-SSL. Let's say make directory SSL assert. Okay, pwd. Since we'll be using Ubuntu to do SCP, so I will do one more thing. I will go to Ubuntu, or I will log in as user Ubuntu. I will go to my home, make directory, and execute crt home pwd. Okay. Now goal here is to get these things there. So what I'll do is I'll do SCP and so everything to online, and path gonna be here. Okay. Okay, so looks like SCP is successful. All right, now my goal here is to copy. Okay, sudo sudo test home Ubuntu. Okay, now we got everything. Now copy these files into var install SSL crt. Okay. Now if you do var, now if you go to install line, okay, you got all these files here. So that's good. Now there is one more conf that we'll need to do. Okay, this is the same conf. Now we need something for port 443. So let me copy these. 443. You can just note it down. So these are the 4 things that you will need. Now for bundle 1, I need to give the right file. Okay, we'll need a private key as well. So if you remember, we had that private key in the beginning. I will copy that one, and I'm in the same path where all of the certificates are here. Private.key, and if I paste it and reload, okay, looks like it's all good. Now just to verify it, if I do curl online 443, okay, non-SSL, it's pointing to the right one. So it looks like 443 is working. Now I will do something else just to verify you guys again. So this is something that we got when we generated the CSR, and if you see here in the downloads folder that I had, these others are all downloaded from the website where we issued the certificate. Yeah, so now just to verify things out, I will set up another website. And, let me go to a folder. Let's name it SSL site. Okay, now first I will clone this website. This is just a HTML CSS website and I found online, so I'll copy everything inside spelled and the destination and everything I received. I want it to be SSL site. Okay, so if I go to SSL site, okay, we got all the index files. Now we need to point to this directory for index.conf. So if I say to sites level install, okay, now in directory, let me point it to the correct one. All right, now reload. Okay, looks like it's working. Looks like it's secure. So, okay, that's all for now. So this is how you should install the SSL certificates quickly, and hopefully this video helped you to install it. And if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. That's all for now. See you in the next video.